Let's make chili oil ramen.
We can also make chili oil ramen.
Salt your water, then cook your ramen, then set it aside. Save a little broth.
I think it would take an hour.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now mince a few cloves of garlic, yuck, and a small shallot. Then into a bowl with your shallot,
Into the bowl, garlic,
minced garlic,
onion.
chili flake,
This is a dried up chili in my fridge.
What?
It's been sitting there for almost 3 weeks, I guess. We're gonna make this as chili flakes.
What the?
You're gonna ask how. I guess you never know. Chili flakes.
And sesame seeds.
I don't know how I found sesame seeds on my house.
Then pour over some smoking oil.
Now let's smoke some oil.
Let it crisp up. Now you have chili oil. Add in a splash of soy sauce and then your ramen. Then mix it all up. Top it with green onions or whatever else you'd like.
I don't have green chili, so sesame seeds.
And you've just made a ramen that will blow your mind.
I think there is something missing in this seasoning packet.
Yes! 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 Damn!
Gotcha, bitch!